Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another episode of the review channel. Today we're going to review this dolly. This is a stair climbing dolly. This is a pretty cool invention. It's got some wheels on it. It actually climbs up and down stairs. I live in an apartment building, believe it or not, and I do quite a bit of business out of it, and I'm constantly having to carry things down in a dolly. The problem is the stairs. So here's a long hallway that I have to travel down every day, which is a pain in the neck, and heavy packages can be quite difficult to handle, but not with this. This thing is really pretty awesome. I mean, it goes down the stairs. It's pretty rugged, pretty portable. It opens up the doors. You just push it. It holds up to 200 pounds. This is the industrial heavy-duty version. I like this one quite a bit, and I'll show you how it goes down the stairs. It's pretty interesting, right? So usually we get like a jogging motion or a banging motion. I'm sure if you've used different dollies. This climbs down the stairs, climbs up the stairs, goes over humps and bumps pretty easily. I've been using this for a while. It's pretty rugged. This is all stone, concrete. This is heavy duty stuff that I'm using it on. Heavy weight most of the time. Sometimes there's 3 or 4 buckets packed on top of this. So this thing works pretty well, I have to say. I give this to the, I'm not sure about all of them, but this one here is an excellent model. It goes up, it goes down, it goes right over the bumps, just down the hallways, and I'll just give you a 360 view of this thing here. It's light aluminum. Quite sturdy, quite strong. I'm very happy with this. I've been using it for the last maybe 2 months or so. Carry tons of stuff. No issues whatsoever. It's really kind of cool. So check it out online. Check out the link below. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Give me some suggestions or any comments that you have below about your wheeling, dolly, stair climbing. There's a million of them out there, but this one I like a lot. So folds up really cool, as you can see. Press the like button. I really would appreciate that, and subscribe to my channel. That helps me quite a bit, and thanks for watching.